hot race. Just sitting in there behind seat, and it's hard following someone, copping all their hot air with these brakes, and got to some traffic there, and Aaron was starting to lose the rears, and he's locking the rears getting up the hill there, and he went a bit defensive to, I was right on him there in that traffic, and I got into him a little bit, but I felt like he braked early because he was losing the rear there, and actually nearly spun out with him. So not how you want to pass the leader, but that's racing, and we got it done. So we got 3 to go.
We've just finished the first race here at Baskerville. It was the weather's cleared up overnight and the track's dry, and it was some good racing out there. So I'm looking forward to the next couple over the weekend.